everyone, I make money trading online with ExpertOption. Let me show you how I earn in just a few simple steps. First, you need to choose your asset and closing time. I'm going for gold with a 1-minute expiry. You'll notice lots of deals from other traders populating the graph in real time. Now for the strike rate, which is a great way to take more control over trading. I've selected an 85% strike rate and pressed the red button for down, meaning I'd earn 85% if my choice is correct. Now, wait for the results. Seems like the price is going against my prediction. No problem. There's a feature which lets me cancel a deal at any time if it doesn't look promising. Just click the button to cancel. This time, I'll go for green and up instead. Okay, now we wait. So long as the price line stays above my prediction, I'll earn an 85% profit. Looking good? Just a little longer? Yes! Amazing! An 85% profit in just 1 minute. Unbelievable! Join ExpertOption and start earning money today.